This is the waterside chilling area. Creek City. Creek City restaurant by waterside. A beautiful place to be. Good for a nice date in a cool environment. Very beautiful center at the ancient city of Dubai. Very beautiful center at the ancient city of Dubai. Feel the nature. Look at the boats, the boat cruise. People are boarding on a boat cruise. They are boarding on a boat cruise. I'm live here at the. This is me live. Yeah. At the chilling area. Very welcoming. There's a chef preparing the table. Everybody's boarding again. Boarding again. Adventure is part of learning. Beautiful adventure in Dubai.